Hey, what's up everyone? Jay here. In this video, you're going to use how to use Google Gemini Veo 3 Cinematic Prompt Generator. What you're looking at now is my Gemini Veo 3 AI Prompt Generator, where you can create cinematic AI video scenes instantly. Stick around until the end of this video. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time. If you're in a hurry, the links to this video, to the tools you see on this video, are going to be directly below in the video description box. But this is a great tool you're going to want to have in your arsenal if you're trying to create the best videos with Google Gemini Veo 3. So what this does is you got your scene type or concept, main emotion or vibe. Select the cinematic style or genre. Camera shot type, camera movement, scene environment, lighting style, target platform, main character, tone of voice, spoken call to action if you want voice generation in your video. Like if you're doing a YouTube short or something, you want a call to action. See the comment section for the link or see the description for the link. That's what this is going to do. If you don't want a call to action, there's an option to pick none. Describe the main subject or character. We're doing an alien from a million miles away. He enters the Earth's atmosphere. Slowly descending to Earth in a massive battleship. There's something off the top of my head I can come up with. And you can select your language here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through here, and then I'm going to go over to, as soon as I'm done with this, so just bear with me. It's going to be worth your time. We're going to head over to Google Gemini, and I'm going to show you some prompts that some videos that I actually created using Google Gemini Veo 3. So we'll do that after this. So select type or concept, scene type or concept. I got a UFO alien sighting, but you got a ton of options you can select here. Intro. You can look on the screen, so I don't have to read everything off, but there's a ton. You got ASMR, MR style scenes. I know those are all the rage right now. Action and conflict, business and marketing, AI tech and futuristic, viral meme and social skits, mystery, horror and conspiracy, travel, nature, and abstract. Select your scene type, main emotion or vibe. You want to, and look at all these options. We got selected cinematic and dramatic, but you have as you can read the screen, you got all kinds of different main emotions or vibes. Select the cinematic style or genre, if I'm saying that correctly. We got cinematic drama selected, but these are all the different options here in categories. Documentary and realism, visual and cinematic aesthetics, marketing and educational, trending and viral formats, emotion-driven story formats, camera shot type. Bunch of different options here. So you got pretty much everything you can think of. Select whatever camera shot type you want. The scene environment. And we're going to go to alien, maybe a futuristic city for this one. But you got different types of scenes. As you can see here, there's a lot. A lot of different options for you to choose from. And if you don't see yours on here, select other, and you can fill in the box below, but there's a lot of different options on here. Main character of your scene. We got all different categories as well with this one. So select whatever you want for that, whatever your video is about. And describe the main subject or character. We did that, and the language is English. We're going to select this again. Click outside the box, or you can click the box itself, and it's going to come up with a prompt for Google Gemini Veo 3. And I'm going to read this to you. It's very good. It's going to save you a massive amount of time. It doesn't take long to fill in these little blanks here. And it's going to be worth it because your video is going to be a lot better. In the heart of a sprawling futuristic city, the sun casts a brilliant glow on gleaming skyscrapers, the reflective surfaces shimmering like a sea of glass. The camera begins with an extreme close-up of an alien creature's eye, revealing a swirling galaxy within its depths, hinting at a million miles of untold stories. As the camera slowly pans left, the massive silhouette of a battleship looms in the sky, cutting through the clouds, a harbinger of rebellion against a world that has long been blind to the cosmos. The atmosphere crackles with tension as citizens below gaze upward, their faces a mix of awe and defiance. The alien's descent is deliberate, each moment pregnant with purpose, a slow motion rebellion against the mundane. A mysterious voice echoes, "Want this free?" Link in comments as the scene fades to black, leaving viewers breathless and yearning for more. How good is that? I mean, it's just phenomenal output from using this tool, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So all you do is copy this, the scene you come up with you like. If you want to do another variation of it, all you got to do is hit refresh. But if you don't even want to do that, all you do is go to, say you want to change it up a bit, delete a box and refill the box. It's going to go back in. Let me show you. It'll go back in and it should update it. And it's updating right now. You see that? So all you can do is just look at this down here. If it's thinking, it's updating your actual prompt. So you can do that for whatever one you want here and go back and forth and get it perfect. Copy it. Then you're going to head on over to, I think I deleted this on accident. We're going to go back over to this. Not a big deal. Let me see here. And this is one of my prompts here. We're going to go head over to Google Gemini. And I'm going to show you a few videos I did. So bear with me a second. And I can let you see the quality of them. And then here we go. We're going to go to... Here's one I did that's funny. This is Bigfoot. This is hilarious. At least I think it is. You might beg to differ. But this is the quality. This is one of the prompts I use for my tool. And the whole inspiration of this is everybody knows Bigfoots. I never could find them. You know, whether you believe in Bigfoot or not. Doesn't matter. But he's a kind of a mythical creature. I wanted to relate that to marketing. Like old school marketing tactics versus new school, which is AI. So I got like a Silver Surfer type character that enters the scene. And I'm going to play it here and you can see it. And this was created using this tool's output. Here we go.
Move over, Fossil. AI does it faster, smarter, and while you sleep.
So pretty good. And then there's a second output here, the rise of AI, and it's a style. And this is the actual prompt here. Now you can kind of read it. And these are all created using my free tool. And there's a second one right here.
You don't have to go extinct. Just evolve.
Make the switch before your competition does.
All right, that was the second one. And then it leads into Bigfoot is, you know, like I said, he's a mythical creature, which I'm relating to old school like marketing tactics, and AI came out, kind of changed everything, flipped everything on its head. And that's how Bigfoot comes in. He's up to date. He's learning AI. He's modernizing his marketing, and that's what the third video, the finale, comes in. And here we go. I'll play it real quick.
Even Bigfoot adapted. What's stopping you?
And that's it. But I've created a bunch of them, and that's the free tool that I use. You can come check it out on my site. The link's going to be directly below. I don't want this video to get too long, but if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section. But this is going to it's going to save you a lot of time, and your videos are going to be better. If you're using Google Gemini, VEO 3, and then I want to give you a quick tip here too. If you're brand new to this, make sure you hit the video button at the bottom. It's kind of self-explanatory. All you do is paste your prompt here in the box, hit enter, and it's going to create your video. But you only get 3 tries on this as of now every day. If you're a pro member, I don't know if the free members get this as well. I'm on the pro. But you get 3 tries a day, so you got to get it right, or else you got to wait another 24 hours to create your scenes. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. If you want to check out the free tools below and grab my 20 free AI marketing tools, you're going to want to get your hands on these. They're awesome. See the links in the description box below. And like I said, if you have any comments, shoot me a comment below. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.